Clinton Yodu contract about tall. Liverpool Academy aba.
Yes. Rangers aba. Yes.
Steven Gerrard Academy aba. Ana kotoko so aba. Nti no na Clinton Yodu shed ade ni dia no so obeso bo Champions League.
Okay.
Nti no obo kotoko. Na no sa na KY dia na koye. Se team mi temu amano ne. Pesa branch ne ba ko so hwe ball no bo. Ewo ayi wona VR honum na VR honum na oyade ntino anka omra no mebo amane ni but we for no kan for team dey na no enso no echirima wo de bebo ba afa ba kokra man na anka akwa enso echirima nya kwanse kakra enso wo ntino akoya something which is there
super na no
ntino KY dey ne dey
say D4 sign you coach I D4 no mo sign I no akwa no koke Okoke okakosum kakraba.
Sa.
Oh yes.
Allo edem okay.
Say oye we ukopie ma say Roman Catholic eno ano no. Yes nti okakosum aba. Ono ya for enti bi osum ba. Ziba. I don't know them fanti. Oh yes what bro for pa ye ka coach sa. Omo te bro for oya de pa. Na A.K.A aka kire Jean ofo ne say play bia say obi oni.
Sraw me tie men kan hwe. Vete nka hwe. Think kisa.
Zuba, edu dia ye na ode ma me was ani akwasa na yamya do for the weekend Ghana Premier League no week 26 and Debbie Todwa fa Debbie Todwa e wa Accra Sports Stadium. Yes, Accra Lions ni House of Folk na dey win tam so kama. South na kopie ma Dreams FC and Ken Fight abebo e wo dew Sunday yes na Brekum Chelsea and Adriana Ngasonye Brekum Chelsea ne Adriana Stars bebo Accra Great Olympics any has good bebo na okopima metiema ene wafa Kotoko ene Legon City omne Legon City ene that game ne die so be lusu Okumase kwasabe koye nam papa Ghost Stars ne Wonders bebo eno kra die straight win the my home team Sasuna okopima Ken Foisa ene out you super I'm out to you. Crawford, yeah, I say no music asem no.
Can fight an out to you.
Sharks and out to you.
I think that because when you say dreams and can fight an elbow.
Sharks and out to you.
Sharks and out to you. Oh me no nyina obi ahia you. Sharks versus survival. RT is so I give no more kono munya sika 30,000.
It's a transport.
They are game no more. Free tamaleba you know. And then soon you do baby on better nyina no kika bo 30,000.
Super na no den.
Game back almost spend 30,000. See if you know so much maintenance no more gin no more hu. So when some of the sponsorship can see sika can see really get them because about just one game or spending 30,000. How many games no boy in a season?
Yes.
Do just you say averagely you 30,000 if I add and now multiply by the number of matches or
boy fake
home and away. About 32 games over.
Yes.
About 32.
32 games. 32 games in abo. 18. 34. Okay. Yes.
To the 30,000. You have much on our bank, Juma. 30,000 by 34. There's also one team. Averagely, you find because Oko, everyone on a big team. Who do come out say, it should be an hotel prices. It should be an
yes, I do number two.
Yeah, for say
1,020,000
a season or over 1 million Ghana cedis. Now we now Ghana Premier League just saying.
Super.
The man 80,000. And 800,000 oh. And I'm a boy.
Yes.
Say man 80,000 and 800,000. 80,000.
80,000. Everybody said the end say any day na team owners in favor of betting.
That's the problem.
Yes, I know. So then the betting they be lucrative. Because I'm not talking about even the known betting companies, the underground, betting deals near the. I'm not accusing any team bias one team owner didn't worship, but I think we all know these things go on in football, and if I'm going to spend $1 million
at the end of a season,
yes. On player salaries? Was it on player salaries?
We got we one game Okobo game or away game transportation
to go and play. And on 30 player salaries in buy medical expenses in my one food program near there you are looking at 10 million at least.
Motivation, it be a winning bonuses.
All those things just to run a club. Now I'll finish the entire season. No, I'm 8 million. 80,000. I mean, 80,000.
Second, I think it's the first position. 120,000.
Super. Osha we no na. First no 25 in a while.
$25,000.
I don't know why. Yes.
$25,000.
25. Any 40 good medals.
Medals and Fatun.
Okay.
And $20,000. It's $20,000. You know. Kobe Shuma said 20,000.
Oh, the super fan said 30,000. They fan 30,000. Let's
you fan $30,000.
You fan 30,000. Now second I bet you fan say 20,000. Now third so I bet you 100,000.
10,000.
Yeah, 10,000. You fan say 10,000. Yes, $10,000.
$30,000. You know, what if you're pegging by ABR hovering rates of let's say 18 that's 240,000. It's still
that's
nothing.
2.4 billion.
It's still nothing compared to
2.4
about
billion.
Roughly now spend 7 to 10 million that a club owner would have to spend. It's nothing.
Super for fixtures.
Super fan na yeah sorry so na nyame adoma Monday no o Crawford Casemiro o papa ne Carolina United will be cheap and you will try the grass super will be trying to say program
Eko
no be cheap
home on
Carolina United ti anon komo na nyame adoma Kings Academy ukopie mu asama mu ni asama Deportivo de Berin tam so a super non komo eso no but unipa Felix Anan anyway the fan club PRO Eric Odame. O say is your ma point no. As the new public relations officer. PRO Erma Accra New Era. And we a Division 2 team mo Accra. Ezo so say so ni pa nya de come pa. Oh yes kakrabem nyazuko pima. Ono say technical team member. Eric Odame no. Enti ono
we do ono so say
oh yeah so I didn't hear enga kranka na
the deputy kra say
and say hwe and I'm brother and say enye ya anabeboa
bibia mu deputy hu
oh yes enti Eric Odame ano so agine samba e wona nyame adoma Sunday super e kraka game na be todwa e Accra New Era ene Accra New Town Youth Division 2 super League no item
Accra New Era.
Yes.
And Accra New Town
Youth and at Berin time so our Division 2.
New.
Yes, part of each other. Ukopie mo table no so a Accra New Era 15 points. And youth no tab youth for no so 15. That's so bad no nyame adoma ade ni abre.
Omunya about how many matches?
Omunya how many matches this season and akotata bokuto matches na ma bodo. Omunya bo matches pepepe. Ti anone nkoma Accra super Abubuwa ba ye DM machine team fitu Eric Odame ya point no so omombra na supporters me bona bia so entumi enkoka super time ne ko anu nie bibi besi kunadu ya dom KY o hwe ne contract na onim say ebeto odwa ese house of folk ni na hwehwe super ma defem kakra kwa no contract with Ewa be ebewu August 2022 ti abrante no super enfa too bad and fine.
Oh, but say any day contract ka 1 year 2 years go to 2 film. Any day no kwa Glatin awakodi eni. Did enzane kwa yo. Glatin awakodi. E we August. Every day August so na starting new season.
Yes.
Yes. The best thing is omoni wa fantina say bia unsa ka boso me ba ko. Dey mempe 20,000 or 30,000.
Yeah.
Enfamamo na munja abranti ni ma yeah Mr. Bet is our code Mr. Wakode na say 20,000 ana mutu ya 10,000 na say ka 10,000 you betu ya
na ko chema me twesa na me buesi ti
yes
yes kunadu ya dom to aso folk na busia na opa na dia ba no
EABD no
erade ezo wa fa do te
EABD no
nyame aduma krobia kumase asantoroko o meka kosia NSA phone pin for nde ese kumase babra sports stadium say onim say the Confederation of Africa Football CAF ade aba say Kumasi Sports Stadium na empirifagia omo person omo ye na omo bo blaster matches wo no so am say nye up to standard but compare for ebe share ne sende omo ko sure mo a won be hwe the way forward say nyame atoma say na se for ehwe no mutumi nye stadium na omo fa mo na dia CAF for kan omo tumi nye up to standard esan say korokobe ko CAF the Kakobo the Confederation of then CAF Champions League super amo to nyama super
Ghana game you were born in May meboa
yes
first qualify you were born in May they no na yeso mo hwe no mu wi na yenjama na Akobo Champions League
I say super also to nyama ni
you were born da ben
super no mo league ni we kra nyende but so to nyama na tenis no
Africa
so mo boa
but me just say you be Black Star game na so na mo Africa
but so mo boa super say CAF so mo mbwanyante because na
NSN na ho odin to me sika oje gate no se na ho odin
so fa de na no odin ade na no odin enti na onim de apie mu aba say 5% bi wo bo tinka krofo no beji de ye ya no
ane agent fee mo super first na
me hwe ye okay super no nie nyame atoma da be meka nyame adoma akra endra enkomodidi e koso abrantantin e de EAB
yes Emmanuel Ajimanbedu
na okopie ma oni obranti e de NY
na na ya amponsa
ekosia meeting ni mu no e likely as a super abranti Emmanuel Ajimanbedu e beba kotoko
fantastic Emmanuel Ajimanbedu
e beba kotoko
fantastic
e chefu ye because enkomodidi na akoso no one shot onkosia na say one nene a emant mejo mema of 50 pesos na say o say 50 no enko 10 pesos e dey 10 pesos enko 1 cedi na say 1 cedi no opa na ntumi anje antum na eye ye a ebetumi anwe ne sen but endra onkosia meeting ama commodity no
kwa koye inkumdie
yes
de bia na mo ba na yentumi ni fata oda oda die yentumi ni na nkansi e dey komo sa na mo kan na ne amponsa mpeso de dia atum
so party I don't know come akra bobo ba ye de ma Dreams FC one head coach no ma sign no yes Dreams FC I rade O
Ignatius Osei Fosu
it's IOF rade international what is it of there so opa na Okumase isi a make opa na Okumase when say contract no ba be sen wie no so Okumase so osum oye Roma dade okay mo na mo team prof zem no na okwa akosum no okosum wie a obeba back na obaba coach team no
kosum answer
yes yo no appointment bi okwa akosum
okay
na we say some de ahunya enti ano ne nkoma akra bobeba ye de machine tef super medicine happy birthday enkoma eye ababo ane din ade eye Aziz Rashida yes rade de afi ba ko de aka ne fie we efi eye mia me church daughter ababo ane din ade eye oye anase Lucy ana se yenresi eye Aziz eye Rashida happy birthday enkoma yes enti ano ne nkoma akra ebeba so Rashida you enjoy a day and this thing how you do I come and celebrate you come on na bona biaso no etumi akonkanti so ba ma fancy na atua so
okay intino writer ana moten nka se eni no de fisem aba enchebe ko Olympics akache na yakodi nkomo enu ada omutumi celebrate om 65th anniversary e Ghana ha eni e bra omuti Olympics ba o hwe ni ama ma Ghana football mu eni ade olimasi olinkonso ni bombs ramane eyi ni ama hudu bebre e Ghana Premier League ko no maba sa ntini ebe ko makachi ya kodi nkomo enu asana na nse na tifa etie Olympics bobo ko ni mu na yesu yetumi ato aso kro bia sante wa ha sansa writer Jeff Football team nyina boa na dwumadi no akoso meka so betuma join live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 nana Miguel nana Kofi Sterling osemo fire enko enfamo Kwabena Majesty aso Okoman Global Sports more fire and so ne dia ba Golden Boy GH on so more fire enko enfama team no Kofi Ajman Blackman was a good afternoon Koroko will beat Legon Cities on Sunday watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra the messenger or the Abba Khan Erico Jr. I see watching you live from Dubai. Proud of you guys, but I wonder why you didn't mention Real Madrid's name towards the trophy. Madrid this weekend the obetima trophy nene ade but Madrid din. But yankwa man so yanko pimo Great Olympics akache yewura nedin enso ade Dr. Joe Boy on ye Great Olympics historian pa ana wa man so yanko na enini din komo ni mbisa no Great Olympics o siense afibe amote no BPM ene no niama no so etuma todwa e Accra Great Olympics so akati yera Joe Boy Dr. Joe Boy yes Dr. Awia Yama Akwaaba emfa BPM e puo mantem ekropone ku apem Okoman 97.1 radio so
you are welcome.
Okay doc oh yeah historian Edema Great Olympics and you know boy mu kakra Olympics afibe mu na mo buy ni ama mafemu ani ni ama amaye ade empo na mo choose the name Great Olympics na yento aso
You know my tree is very bad. So
don't worry. You can blend both, so don't worry.
A.K.A De Phynest was formed in Accra on the 21st April 1954 by men. In all, Olympics has 7 founders, namely Mr. S.O. Glover, Mr. Dovitri Tete, Mr. Amos Josiah, Mr. Aja Professor, Mr. S.A. Okwabi, Mr. U.C. Obliti, and Mr. J.K. Ameka. In fact, Olympics was formed out of a great club called A.K.A Stampers. Somewhere along the line, there was an impasse among the management, which led to the formation of A.K.A De Phynest in 1954. And then, so far, Olympics, we have won the league on 2 occasions, 1970 and 1974. And it will interest you to know that in 1970, when we won, we went unbeaten. No team beat us before we won that 1970 league. Apart from that, we have won the Ghana Knockout or the FA Cup on 3 occasions, 1975, 1983, and 1995. Hello?
Yes, we are listening, sir.
So, in the nutshell, this is the history of A.K.A De Phynest.
Okay. So we maybe say another anniversary to the Olympics akache. Dear important na mujina so at the celebrity anniversary in the recent years. In say Olympics and said that Olympics are in previous years winning the Ghana Premier League and the FA Cup in the last 20 years, and as in the last 10 years. Crying fanisa. And said that who Olympics are dear participant and another multi celebrity here.
Yes, like I indicated earlier on, we have won the league on 2 occasions, the FA Cup on 3 occasions. But that's notwithstanding, if we are not winning the league as some other seasons, that doesn't mean we have been performing badly. Even though we were not winning, we were almost always among the first clubs in the nation. The fact that we have won it on so many occasions, that doesn't mean we have performed badly, or that doesn't mean our performance can be said to be unimpressive. We are not winning, but you could recall that before the unfortunate situation came after 2014, our Olympics was among the best teams in the country. But just like any human endeavor, at times you go down because life is made up of ups and downs. If you want to talk about our contribution towards Ghana soccer, we have a very brilliant history to write. Just let us even associate ourselves with international matches. For all you know, when Ghana beat Nigeria 7 in 1955, the crop of players, as it were, the lineup, Olympics provided 5 players who played regularly. 4 from, you see?
We are listening, sir.
Who played regularly. And then, you see?
Let's hear you. We are listening. Let
us come back to 1965 when we won the African Cup of Nations. Franco Regisi, who scored 2 goals in the final match, was an Olympic boy. Come to think about 1978 when we won the Cup for good. The man who captained the team was an Olympic man. A.K.A was a player of A.K.A De Phynest. And the last tournament that we won, and we haven't won any tournament, that was in 1982. The hero of that tournament, so the Rasa, was also an Olympic player. So in the nutshell, you cannot say because we have won the league on 2 occasions, Olympics have been performing badly. We have contributed, immensely to Ghana soccer. But that is all what I can say. Unless, of course, if you bring another issue, then we talk out on them.
Yeah, sir, someone may ask, why that nickname, Olidade?
Okay. Olidade is the original nickname of the team. As Olympics members, when you meet your fellow Olympic man, you say Oli, then we also respond Dade. That is our official slogan.
Oh, okay. But Olympics, do you have any famous song that you normally sing at camp or?
Yes. Yes. Olympics, we have a very nice song. If you allow me, I can sing our song on your program.
Yes, we want to hear you. Yes.
Okay, then let's go. We are great Olympics team. We play a modern game. We are gentlemen on the field, and we hate no one. Oh, Olympics, play steady game. Go on, pressure opponent. Go on to victory. Only that day, oh, Olympics, play steady game. Go on, pressure opponent. Go on to victory.
Doc, anyway, they say Ghana Henya and it is so pa. Now, I'm for the arrows, we una okroma. But I said, Mami Bisa way, the last time Olympics, a winning trophy was in the year 1995. That was in the MTN. Sorry, that was the FA Cup. And the last time you won the league was in the year 1974. Can you remember some of these players that won the league in 1974?
Yes, I can remember almost all the players, not some. But if you want me to give you some of players, I can mention Awulekwe, who was the captain at the time. I can mention Joe Amati. We call him Shimi. He was playing as number 4. I can mention Shitu Muda. I can mention Bilomuti. I can mention Audu Nelson in goal. I can mention Pilati. I can mention Mike Akoli. I can mention I can mention Obli Hammond. I can mention Yakubu Ahmed, who started with us. I can mention Christian Madus, a player we recruited from Accra, and I can mention Anthony Misa. We call him Wanyu.
Okay.
This is in respect of the 1974 team.
Okay. Under your crest or your badge, I see peace, friendship, and unity. It means that's your motto. What made you choose that motto? Peace, friendship, and unity.
Well, Olympics stand for peace. If even you look at our colors, blue and white, these are famous colors of the Israelites.
Yeah.
Blue and white stand for peace, unity, and friendship. This is in line with if you look at the Olympic Games proper, you study our press and then take the Olympic Games. They have a whole lot of similarities. And football is for peace and it's not for war. It is against this, but that we take those words as our motto.
Oh, okay. All right. I think my producer just told me that the last time he was in the league was in 1974. And comparing then Olympics in 1974 to the current Olympics, what do you see? Do you see any future in Great Olympics? Or do you think you can win the league again?
And after this issue, it is not peculiar to Olympics alone. It is peculiar to Ghana football as a whole.
Yeah.
One can make a simple sentence to describe the issue that football in Ghana has seen better days. This statement is pregnant with a whole sort of issue. It goes without saying that the football in those days are far better than what we are witnessing now. And like I indicated earlier, it is not only peculiar to Olympics, but to the whole issue. Now, coming back to our club, now we have young players who are trying to gather the pieces together. And the way we are going, we can say we are on course. We can describe the situation. Our performance cannot be said to be unimpressive. And for that matter, we can conclude by saying that there's light at the end of the tunnel. Obviously, to come next year, when we are celebrating our anniversary, I hope that our story will be captured under a very different or a better nomenclature. That is what I can say for now.
And when is the actual anniversary coming on?
Well,
when?
It was yesterday was our 68th birthday. And then the celebration was in a keynote. When we attain 70 years, we shall have a very grand anniversary, which we made nationwide, or if you like, it will go international.
Oh, okay. Doc, before you go, what do you like to tell your fans, Great Olympics fans, and the entire country?
I want to impress or urge our supporters that there's a need for all of us to come together and put our shoulders behind the wheel. Because as Colin Powell said, a dream does not become a reality through magic, but through hard work and perseverance. And for that matter, everybody who calls himself Olympics supporter needs to come at the club in order for the club to take its rightful position in Ghana and football. So our message is that all hands should be on deck.
Doc, thank you very much this afternoon. But before I let you go, can you sing another song again? Probably the one that yes, the same song.
We agree to name this team. We play a modern game. We are gentlemen on the field, and we hate no one. Oh, Olympics, play steady game. Go on, pressure opponent. Go on to victory. Oh, Ade, oh, Olympics, play steady game. Go on, pressure opponent. Go on to victory.
Oli. Dade.
Oli.
Emasi. Abosue.
Dade Mashi. Do you know the meaning of Agosue?
Unless you tell me.
Agosue means A.K.A Great Olympics Supporters Union.
Fantastic.
This is what was coined by one of our past chairmen, by name Mr. Ivan said. It was under his watch we won our first FA Cup in 1975. And it was under his watch that we won the first Gala competition in 1977. So Olympics, we have also contributed our quota to Ghana football. Besides the achievement that you mentioned earlier on, we have won the champions of champions on one occasion. Yeah. That was in 1976. Having won the FA Cup, we played against Asante Kotoko, the then league champions, and we beat them by 1 goal to 0. Courtesy George Alasa.
Okay. I think we have a lot of things to talk about Great Olympics. So as time goes on, we'll get back to you so we talk more about Accra Great Olympics.
I'm most grateful.
Thank you very much.
Secondly, I will tell you that I'll give you another number for you to send me the audio after you have edited everything. I'll give you another number. This one is a young phone, so I'll give you my correct number for you to send me the audio.
Okay, my producer will talk to you off air. Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Oku boy, right? Hey, Joe boy, is it Oku boy? And a friend is saying, Dr. Joe Boy, a historian at my Great Olympics, and no, Edin Komaja, the 68th anniversary of Great Olympics, and that Umutimi Edi, and a boy history kakra, Kwabia. Olympics yeah.
Oh yes, okay. I think that only a great team. Only a great team because you know team aside has so folk ne kotokono. I think that these teams, you know, one more modern ball and a better but okay. Dinya never Ghana Premier League ni man ye better to you know and no ne a bini Great Olympics. Okwewu United. Power FC yes and you know when many teams are na the wa womo ye womo nioma no traditionally no na womo believe in womo local staff of we no football na hu nioma said ya na nioma asesa no these are teams are na yanyim by na side kotoko ne has no na womo ejina womo na nso ye pa and I think say young Lucy a lot of the teams are na womo traditionally and I say traditional teams now womu ba womu hu to say Olympics no and say no Olympics na oguso a ojinemu a ono so suffer ye papa very lot so call relegation kwa could do division 1 na wasanga fra the aba abedu premiership so I think say womu rich history pa year womu so abo womu homodin having won the Ghana Premier League twice and the likes of FA Cup womu etumi akọ Champions League nimu half Champions League one more to me about finals back one more into me and winning 71 I think say one more modern ball and we one more twice first round one more free money a day but I think say for 68-year team there almost to me about home modern because what the compare some European teams in any idea one more first 68 years no then also and that is in our more achieve match I said the Olympics cramp with me and especially even my own Chelsea share age you know any baby if you know almost start to achieve one more teams are one more brave in Olympics and so I can the rich history and the great teams are one more work on and I think say you better wish him a very very happy birthday belated one and going into their weekend game against Ashanti Gold. I personally believe that even nothing at all because of their birthday celebration, you know, and we to me ginger the Olympics boys and even the technical men and the likes of Openia and Kase and then will tell the players, hey, Masa, this is the time and you know, yeah, celebrity I would and win at the way to me there achieve Olympics. So I think that particular game, I'm very, very optimistic and anticipating say Olympics able to me the maximum 3 points. One will be to me a winning game against Ashanti Gold now and also to me the Nimonyam share and a successful one of a birthday celebration, you know. Yes, and so to me, so I wish them well in their subsequent years. I won't go to me the Ghana Premier League and as a Ghana football and they ahead of their game against Ashanti Gold.
Okay, and your club Asante, I don't know. Ubitimi Afraba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 weekend Ghana Premier League and once ubetumi dia bahati folk trankran no ne 3 p.m. Accra Lions and so etimi abokodoko ebetena fi Kumasi no so any Lagos Cities abo and no Accra Great Olympics and rather etimenya 68 years and so I will almost celebrate your anniversary. Hello, good afternoon.
This is my number. This is the number. I decided to call you.
Oh, okay. And then super on an Gaza offer and yeah, and also no 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191971. Now also at media about Max Pounds the about I love Okoman Sports and also media what media about Canary Coast watching live from Dubai. Proud of you guys. So Temu Dubai and also I didn't share at me about Maminkai message we okay Kobe Aba. Hello. Okay, super. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, Bacho. Didn't baby Afrefi.
We are Kokanoa because the flash on my state Accra. But the stadium will go campus.
Oh, okay. BBI Boko.
Oh, Namiado, nobody mapa. If it is the wire, the Chinchimi radio better, the Biami monitor on the Mitiamo.
Yeah, I say.
I'm in Shramo. King will be a legend, the Bonabas Matiano. Yet, say, Mabu Bonsen Bibli, so Olympics, and I said, not quite all my idea, more my basso, because Moke Canana, my fee has Akes, others because that team is no, Omujinum or Co United, do Omu Tibia, Omotas and Tokotoko, but none of my league near day, and this is the four, on basic team be omni secretary on Pabacos, and Yeduma, that the episode be a boogie. They can't, the Tosson also, a bonfire saying, I'm a Sunday. They go and see some COVID empty-handed. The best song, Ukmasago Kramaso. Now, me bonfire and Bella, Bebo hat-trick, not good king or day. Yakan and Temcra. Now, records be and Kofubi didi, Ukrumanamano, or be keep drinking Amaye. Now, Africa and see a Baka Bonti is a Sefata, see any nation for the bed. A Becca and Tem, now CC Park, and we go to the one say, when we talk about the rich club, a movie as I can't others here, Yentesa for no, who found the phone, and say a Sinkunya Tamami in Sinkunya, Momara.
That's over by Oni Yakopo, Entina. Yeah, so 0551667755, 0551667755, and 0270191971. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Fire.
It's Ghana football, then I will to work myself and go to call. My favorite review. She, sir, Yenny has Sapanet, Wiji, Musanya Panet, Mobandi, referee, Mobandi, assistant one, Mobandi on your Masiam and match, Sunday we are, or San Quaco match. Inti not Yakon Referee Mabandeno, and Nena Senya, Masiam match, Yanni, Legon City, or assistant 2. Okay, officiating officials who are sign officiating match.
Fire. Decision now. FA review committee in the bar, on the referee. It was only on referee A.K.A Paddy.
Assistant Nika na say Muse way in your pinetia. House of folk in 11 wonders across Sports Stadium. Shepine to be a Wijima across folk. House of folk near Lina Sharks. FA Cup. Shepine to be a Wijima. House of folk Midiama. Offside go a Wesha Wiji go. Now be a Muyam. Namudi Wadi Moko sorry ya. Say Muyamushi and we may get 3 points in Kauma way. Fire.
But my clarify we say referee na line 1 na Fire Eka wa sense Legon City Kotokono Okawono enye Kotoko has game na or ko gina mu no eno ho ana wade amana asaso twe no it was a different game ana no one so twe aba enye Kotoko has game no yanso yansha no so sa mama kan message we Mfenfiona and sorry. So we say I'm Martin 1 from Okoman A.K.A. Good work, keep it up. I go to the boy. And also Nadia about the boy. Samson, we say good afternoon, staff. A.K.A. you are doing a great job for Mother Ghana. God bless you. Absolutely, the color is blue. Abi, you know that wretched inside Nuasu City, Odumasi Krobo. And also Ediaba. Ewe Maminchia, bright chopper. Bright chopper, mutemu ewe dukrom. Bright chopper, mutemu ewe dukrom. Minchia mo papa, ewe na minchia. Madam Nyamiche, opapa. cuisine yenso no yenchia no enti no yede besi na me pe Adwoada ebeba na yenso no yetumi abeto aso executive producer Yera Kofi Anton Bafo Sansana Nana Kofi Okarajiman producer extraordinaire Bobo and Seven Yano and so to me Ademare Korobia Sante Sansana the writer commentator TWC for short and also Okana already Agako Piumo Stadium was any Sansana DJ Zigibi Donzi Sansana Damia Anna Abigail Omunyana Boy Amajumedino and so to me Echo so na say Adwoada Otemu on crying na Ajani Blue Kum Chelsea ho Akotran crying and in the Oyen Cry, Juma Ninam Stadium near the Amiwa Brukum Chelsea say about game. Yo, yate. Jacka say confirm your Puku Opoku Ezonam and the area. Never caught Yamipa Jordan, Ebeba, nothing so no. Weekend the games at 2 January at home, a amanable, and so at me up down. Medin, Kelvin, and Ponsa Eddie with my friend A.K.A. Miami A.K.A. and a Otemekano. Yamipa, Adwoada, Ebeba, nothing so no. Yet me.
Our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.